Hey, how you doing? I'm gonna finish painting this stuff today. Hey, good morning. How you guys doing today? I'm fine. I'm excited. I get to finish the front clip today. So for starters, I've got everything hung up here that I need. Got the fenders, doors, the hood, and the front cowl piece. Now that I have them hung, got the shop all cleaned out, just like before. I got my vents set up over here, my screens, my fan, got a good cross flow. Got them all laid out, hopefully, where I won't make too much mess with the cross flow going this way. But aside from that, I got everything hung up, set out. I am going to dust them, use some wax and grease remover on them, wipe them down real good. Then I will seal them, check them all out. It's my last chance to find anything wrong. Anyhow, I'll seal them, check it out, base them, and then clear them. And then I'll have the front clip ready to go, which is kind of exciting. I will, after I get it all painted, I'll let it sit for a little while, get dried out, probably a couple of days. Then I'll get that cab finally all assembled, everything together in one piece. Get that done. Might even throw the interior in it, get everything finished up. I've got this much of it done. I got that much more to go. Anyhow, when I get all this stuff out of here, I can work after that box, get after it. I've been poking at it. It's made progress. I got quite a bit to do to it still. So anyhow, that'll be the last project, hopefully getting that box done and installed on the back of that pickup. And I'll do exhaust after that. I got things I'll have to do after I'm all done with the painting. I'm trying to assemble and do things as I can, as I go. But anyhow, I'm gonna get this stuff done. Okay, I got the clear on, 2 coats of that. Everything cleared. Just let her dry a couple of days and we'll get that bolted on. Getting excited. Woohoo!
Thanks for watching. See you next time.